Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to rename the network card on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, you'll come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, go ahead and select network and internet. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select Advanced Network Settings near the bottom of the list here. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and select your network adapter over on the right side. Just go ahead and left click on it. And then where it says rename this adapter, you just select the rename button and then you can name it whatever you want. And then you just would select save to save the change and that's it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.